Hey everyone, it's Abby with the Bead Place and beadplace.net, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this fun pair of ghost earrings. All the materials come from beadplace.net. The links will be in the description below. The kit contains gauze fabric, 2 jump rings, flat back crystals, 2 black head pins, and 2 Swarovski pearls. The tools that you'll need are 2 chain nose pliers, 1 round nose pliers, 1 flush wire cutter, a pair of scissors, and some glue. Our first step is to cut the gauze fabric in half so that we have squares. Separate the strips of gauze and place them together again, just slightly crooked. String the pearl onto the head pin and then place the gauze over the top. Use your chain nose pliers to open one of the jump rings. Carefully close the jump ring around the fabric under the pearl. Apply glue to the face of the ghosts, right where you want the eyes to land. Carefully place the eyes on the face of the ghost and then move them to where you want them to be. Once they're in the right spot, press down with your fingers. You can also add a mouth if you'd like to make it look like the ghost is saying boo. For extra security, put a drop of glue right at the top where the head pin meets the bead. This will stop the gauze from pulling down, and also place a drop of glue on the back of the collar, and this will stop the jump ring from falling down. While you're waiting for the glue to dry, feel free to give your ghosts a haircut. Trim any loose ends, and if you'd like, you can apply a bit of fray check or glue to the bottom of the ghosts. After the glue has completely dried, you want to make a loop at the top of your ghost. So use your chain nose pliers to grab the head pin right on top of the bead. Then bend the wire into a right angle. Then, using your round nose pliers, grab the wire that's bent over and bend the tail end up around the top and down towards your bead so that it looks like this. Then put the bottom nose of the round nose pliers in, gently grip and bring the tail end around the front and cross towards the other side. Then continue wrapping the tail end around and spiral down towards the bead. Once there's no more room to wrap, grab your flush cutter, make sure the flat side of the cutter is facing your work, and trim the tail end. Then if you need to, you can use your chain nose pliers to tuck the tail end down. After you've completed both loops, you'll want to add your ghosts into an earring finding. You'll want to open the earring finding just like you would any jump ring. So take your chain nose pliers and bend the loop of the earring finding open. Drop the loop of your ghost in, and then again use your chain nose pliers to close it. So what do you think? Would you make the ghosts with or without the mouth? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or just want to say hey, leave a comment below. We put out new content all the time, so subscribe if you'd like to see more, and thanks for watching.